with several years working experiences in supply chain field, I developed a quite strong interest in this area and decided to further pursue my career path with a stronger academic background. So I searched for universities which can provide such courses around the globe, and Cranfield stood out really for a variety of reasons. First of all, I quite like the course arrangement here. So basically, it provides almost all the aspects of the supply chain field here. It gives me a very good overall view of the supply chain as a whole, and also how each and every element can work with each other within the supply chain as well. And secondly, I quite like the strong connection between the industrial world and academic study here, so we can be sure that what we learn here can be used immediately, like in the practical world. And thirdly, Cranfield has always been renowned for its international environment. For example, this year we have 100 colleagues in logistic and supply chain management course, and they are from 27 different countries. So with such a rich kind of nationality choices here in the Cranfield, I can be renowned. I can be rewarded with a very international learning environment, and you can pretty much hear stories around the whole globe by just talking and chatting with the people who sit side by side with you in the classroom. So which is great. Well, if I describe my past year experiences here, I would use such words as intense, challenging, interesting, and rewarding. Actually, I knew before I came here that course here were quite intense because it's only a year and it's divided by two halves, really. The first half was so-called the learning process, I would say. So we have to finish 22 courses within almost 6 months' time in 2 terms, including the core and elective modules, which, as I said, covers a very wide aspects of the supply chain field. And in the second half of our study here, it's our time, it's our chance to use the knowledge we learn in the first 6 months into the real practical world. We can use what we learn to solve the problems and can conquer some really difficult issues for the companies, because each one of us will be allocated a thesis topic, either based on Cranfield or in the local European companies, on our own choices, where we can really know what we have learned and how much we can help in the future career with the knowledge we've acquired. All the professors or lecturers, they have such a profound and deep, in-depth knowledge of the business world outside there. And you know that what they talk about is what really is happening out there. And we learn by cracking a lot of case studies and by doing a lot of projects together with the other learning teams, which is pretty much what you experience in the real working environment as well.